Hello friends, it's me Zarina, your friend from Malaysia. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great practicing the phrases that I have taught so far. We are getting here today to part our ways. Oh no, how sad. I'm kidding. Today we will learn how to say goodbye in Malay language. Goodbye in Malay language has a few phrases depending on the context. If you are the person leaving, you will say Selamat tinggal. Selamat tinggal. If you are the person staying or remaining, you will say Selamat jalan. Selamat jalan. Both can also say Sampai jumpa lagi. Sampai jumpa lagi. After saying the first phrases in each of the context, meaning of the phrases in Malay language. Again, these phrases are combinations of 2 or 3 words which has its individual meanings. Let's start to know them, shall we? Selamat means safe, secure. Tinggal means live, stay, remain. Jalan means road, route, street, travel. Sampai means until, reach. Jumpa means see someone or something, found, meet. Lagi means again, more. How to pronounce? Off we go to the manner of pronouncing these phrases. If you remember from the previous lesson or I Learn Malay Unit 1, notice that I pronounce se, not si, or say, or se. Pronounce la as in la la land, and mat you may clip the T sound, doing away with the sound, or you can pronounce the T softly like mat. Pronounce think as in think in Tinkerbell. Pronounce gal like I pronounced it. It is because English words that have gal in it tend to be pronounced differently than our pronunciation of Malay's gal. Pronounce some like I pronounced it. It is because English words that have some or Sam in it tend to be pronounced differently than our pronunciation of Malay's some. Pronounce pie as in pie, the food. Pronounce jum like I pronounce it. It is because English words that have jum or jam in it tend to be pronounced differently than our pronunciation of Malay's jum. Pronounce pa as in pine parliament. Pronounce la like I pronounce it. It is because English words that have la in it tend to be pronounced differently than our pronunciation of Malay's la. And gi as in guitar. How is it? It is easy, right? Alright, let's practice these expressions. As usual, I will say the phrases first, and there will be a few seconds of silence for you to repeat the phrases. Let's start. Selamat tinggal. Selamat tinggal. Selamat tinggal. Selamat jalan. Selamat jalan. Selamat jalan. Sampai jumpa lagi. Sampai jumpa lagi. Sampai jumpa lagi. Conversation examples. At the airport. Person A. Selamat jalan. You. Selamat tinggal. Person A. Sampai jumpa lagi. You. Sampai jumpa lagi. Here is an example of a colloquial conversation at the bus station. Person A. Okeylah mak, jap lagi bas nak sampai. Yes ma'am. Okey, jaga diri di tempat orang. Person A. Okey, mak pun jaga diri. Jaga kesihatan. Bye mak. Jumpa lagi nanti. Is Mom. Bye. What do you think of the colloquial conversation? Yes, sometimes we don't use the selamat jalan or selamat tinggal expressions. This is because it has the nuance of we will not be seeing each other for a long time. However, sometimes it depends on the individual too. Notice that the person A finally say, jumpa lagi nanti. Here, you may also skip sampai. For me personally, I frequently say jumpa lagi nanti or jumpa lagi or nanti jumpa lagi between my family members and close friends. Remember that in Malaysia, we do mix our speeches with English. You will hear those okay, take care, bye or bye here and there intermingle with our mother language. It is acceptable colloquially and many of us do that. You could too. Want to practice speaking Malay language? The easiest way is to get someone native to the language to assist you. If you are interested, you may contact me on Preply for an hour lesson to practice speaking Malay and to improve your pronunciation. Well, today's lesson ends here. I hope that this lesson helped. As usual, all the links mentioned in this video and for the transcription are updated below in the description. Sampai jumpa lagi!